Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending me their car baby monitoring camera system. Now what this does is it puts a water resistant night vision ultra wide angle high resolution 6P lens camera baby monitor in your car to monitor your baby. This is model A3, same thing there, just baby car mirror camera night vision. Let's open it on up and show you exactly what you get. So as you can see, this is kind of how it's designed to work. This gives you a 4.3 inch 1080p baby car mirror. So this is the car monitor part. Has a little cable that plugs in somewhere. Very nice. Foam, cardboard, here's more. So a cigarette lighter, that's how everything will be charged and powered. This looks to be a special cable to split off to everything. And then this is the actual mount for on your headrest. So you'd essentially be able to take this camera, angle it however you want, and mount it onto your headrest. Because of course, it comes with the straps for the headrest. And then this plugs in with this, into this, to go to this, to power everything, and it works. This is a mount for the monitor, and that as well. Not entirely certain what this is, but it's included. So yeah, you'd basically hook this up on the back of your headrest, and it would all plug into here. Toward this feeds you a 1080p live feed of your baby in the back seat. So that'll do it. So again, special thanks to this company for sending this my way for this unboxing video. This is everything that you would get. Looks like it'd be pretty simple to connect, and everything you need to know is in these instructions, of course. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.